Okay, lesson number 4, solving exponential equations. This is actually a little bit easier than it looks. So we follow 3 steps. The first is to use properties of exponents to simplify, and we'll refresh those if you don't remember. Then we rewrite the equations so that we have the same base. Now remember, the base is the number that's raised to the exponent. And then once we have the same base on each side, we can get rid of them and set the exponents equal to each other. So let's start with number 1 here. I don't have anything I need to simplify, and I currently have the same base. Do you see how both sides have a base of 2? So I skip straight to step 3, and I'm setting my exponents equal to each other. So if x plus 1 is equal to 9, I just use basic algebra skills, move that 1 over, and I get that x is equal to 8. Easy peasy. Now, if we look at number 3, though, I need to start with step number 1, which is simplifying. So on my left side here, I have 2 bases that are being multiplied. And remember, when I multiply bases with exponents, I add their exponents together. So k plus 2 is equal to 2k plus 2. So on the left side, I'm going to have 3 to the 2k plus 2 power is equal to 3 to the 5k minus 1 power. So that takes care of step 1, simplifying. Step 2, same base. I already have the same base. On both sides I have a base of 3. So now I go to step 3, which is set my exponents equal to each other. So 2k plus 2 is equal to 5k minus 1. And again, just algebra. I want to get all my variables together, and I'm going to want all my constants together. So I move my k's over, and I move my constants, and I'm going to end up with that 3k is equal to 3. So that means that k is 3. So not too bad. Now the last thing we need to consider is when I don't have like bases yet. So let's take a look here at number 5. I don't need to simplify, but I do need a like base. So on the left side I have a base of 6, and on the right side I have 36. But I can rewrite 36 with a base of 6 because 36 is the same thing as 6 squared. So I can rewrite this as 6 to the 2x minus 10 is equal to 6 squared. So I have same bases now, both 6. So step 3, I set my exponents equal to each other, and it's just basic algebra. And I get for number 5 that x is equal to 6. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do number 8 here. I don't have like bases yet, so I need to rewrite 32 so that it has a base of 2. Now 32 is equal to 2 to the 5th power. So I can rewrite number 8 as 2 to the 5th power is equal to 2 to the 2m minus 9 power. Now I have like bases, so I set my exponents equal to each other, do some algebra, and solve, and I get that m is equal to 7. Okay, so step 1, simplify if necessary. Step 2, like bases. Step 3, set your exponents equal to each other and solve.